Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to be making a small little floral arrangement. So come on with me, guys. So the Dollar Tree is carrying this floral box, and I've been seeing it for a while, and I decided to go ahead and try one. This is actually my second one because I've already done one, and I'm absolutely loving it, guys. So I'm trying to shake the stuff that's inside the plastic here, and then we're going to go ahead and try this greenery in the openings on the top of this floral box. I think I'm really loving this. Okay, so if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, I do want to remind you that tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Father's Day Bash collaboration. It's going to be amazing, guys. So it's a tablescape collaboration, and I cannot wait to see you there. Now, this is my second box. I might have said that earlier, and I'm loving it. It just seems like really, it's very trendy, guys, and it doesn't have to cost that much to decorate your home. So I cut this greenery off of here, and then you just kind of stick them in the openings as you like, and then go ahead and place it anywhere in your home. So I decided one of the pieces or the stems I already had in my stash, and then this like green and yellow greenery I purchased at a Dollar Tree, and that was also in my stash as well, guys. So it really didn't cost me anything today to make this piece except for that floral box. So to me, this looks absolutely amazing, guys, and I hope you agree. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you. Amen.